Dear listener, welcome back to the 111 Tips for Learning a Language. This is episode 83, and today I want to speak to you about something that's changing the way the whole world learns: artificial intelligence, AI. You've probably seen it everywhere. AI apps that correct your grammar, AI tools that write sentences for you, AI chatbots that hold conversations in your target language. It's exciting and it's real. But as your language learning guide and friend, I want to offer you a balanced, loving look at how to embrace AI in your language journey without losing yourself in it. AI as your patient study partner. AI doesn't get tired. It doesn't judge you. It doesn't laugh when you mispronounce a word or forget how to conjugate a verb. That makes it a beautiful, non-judgmental partner for practice. Tools like ChatGPT, Google Translate, Duolingo, DeepL, and even AI-powered flashcard apps allow you to engage in speaking, writing, listening, and reading at your own pace. Research definitely supports this. A 2022 study in computer-assisted language learning found that learners who practice regularly with AI chatbots showed marked improvement in fluency and error reduction, especially when using adaptive feedback tools. But here's the truth. AI doesn't understand meaning the way you do. It's not you. It doesn't have your emotional depth, your nuance, or your cultural awareness. It can be wrong, and very confidently wrong. So, how do we use AI wisely? Spotting mistakes by AI and why that's a language learning superpower. When AI generates incorrect translations, unnatural phrasing, or culturally tone-deaf responses, you get a golden opportunity to train your own critical thinking. Spotting AI mistakes actually strengthens your language intuition. This is your gut feeling for what sounds right. Here's what to watch for. Over-literal translations. AI often translates word for word and misses idioms or cultural nuance. Grammar that's too perfect. Native speech isn't always a textbook. It flows with emotion, slang, and rhythm. AI often misses that. Wrong register. AI might suggest something formal when casual is better, or vice versa. Mistranslated words with multiple meanings. For example, bank as a riverbank or financial institution. AI doesn't always get it right in context. Instead of seeing these as setbacks, think of them as micro tests for your brain. Ask yourself, does this sound natural? Would a speaker really say this? A 2023 study in language learning and technology found that students who regularly question AI output develop stronger metacognitive awareness. This means they not only learned more, but became more confident learners over time. How to use AI effectively in your language practice. Here are a few gentle, powerful ways to use AI in your daily learning. Use AI to generate practice dialogues, then read them aloud and rewrite them in your own words. Ask AI to quiz you, but double-check answers using a reputable textbook or speaker. Practice speaking to AI chatbots for fluency, but treat it like a rehearsal, not the real stage. Use AI to summarize or translate, but always verify it with your own understanding or a language teacher. You are the human, the learner, the voice, the heart. AI is just the mirror. A loving word before we end. AI is a powerful tool, but it will never replace the joy of learning through human connection. It won't look into your eyes and smile when you get the sentence just right. It won't feel the cultural pulse in your voice or the vulnerability behind your mistakes. So use AI to practice, to explore, to play, but don't forget that real learning comes from being present, from feeling your way through the language, and from letting yourself be beautifully, imperfectly human. If you'd like to try using AI as a supportive learning tool in a balanced way, I'll be happy to guide you through class, especially if you are learning English, Malay, or Chinese. Together, we can make the most of this incredible new age of learning. Until the next time, keep learning and keep listening to the voice within you that wants to speak. Namaste.